What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. In today's video, what we're going to learn is how to get paid to have fun conversations with people. If you're someone that likes being social, you like having fun conversations and talking to people, and you want to learn how to make money from home, this video is for you. Inside this video, I'm going to share with you 3 different companies you could work with to actually get paid to have conversations. And I'm also going to break down exactly how it works to get started so you can go out there and do this as soon as this week. But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video. All right, now the very first website and company we're going to take a look at is support.com. Now, when you head to support.com, essentially you can join their team. Okay, now if I go down here, what you want to realize is with the contact center opportunities, what they're looking for is people that enjoy working in a fast-paced environment and like chatting with people. Okay, if you get energy from people, or you just want to relax at home with no dress code, even in your pajamas and still get paid, then this could be a potentially great opportunity for you. Now, these are some of the perks for working with support.com. So there's no commute, okay? Obviously you can do it from home. You don't have to drive in your car in traffic and go to a job. There's paid training, okay? So they will actually share training with you to teach you exactly what to say to people, what to do. What you're basically doing with this specific opportunity is helping people with technical support. So if they have technical trouble when it comes to figuring out technology, you can answer their questions. And not to worry, because they're actually going to train you on exactly what to do and what to say. There's insurance that's available, okay? There's a referral bonus. So if you start doing it and you want to refer your friend to it, they see that you're making money from home, chatting with people, having fun, you can actually make money that way as well. Now, you're going to earn about $10 an hour with this specific opportunity, which is not too bad considering, again, that you can just chat from home in your pajamas and get paid to do that. So again, it's support.com. You can go there, you can just apply by going up here, searching openings, and see if you get hired. Okay, you do have to be able to speak good English, but other than that, it's very powerful and a great opportunity. All right, now the next company we're going to take a look at to get paid to have conversations is the Chat Shop. Now, to find this website, you go to thechatshop.com, and once you're here, you can click careers at the top, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Now, with this specific opportunity, it's really interesting because what you're going to be able to do is, unlike the first one where it's going to be very standard technical support, with this, each chat that you have with someone is going to be different. So if you're someone that likes variety, if you're someone that likes, changing up, you don't want the same old every single time you do something, this may be something you really want to take a look at. Now, what you want to realize is some of the skills required is you need native level English. So you want your English to be very well, and chances are if you're able to understand me in this video pretty well, then you have enough English ability to be able to get hired and work this opportunity. Okay, you need high levels of organization and attention to detail. So if you're someone that's pretty organized and you can remember things well, then again, you're going to have the skills required to do this. Now, it says you also need the ability to multitask and stay focused. So it's going to be pretty fast paced. And if you're someone that can, handle different things at once, maybe you're someone that has a couple browsers open on your computer and you can maintain that pretty well, then you're going to be fine with this. Okay. You also need to be able to type because this is going to be involving typing. Okay, you're chatting through text a lot of times, so you need to have a pretty good typing speed, but it doesn't need to be too crazy, and you can actually test it to make sure you qualify. And you also need to be able to work 20 to 40 hours per week. This is more of a full-time thing to qualify, all right? Now, you're going to be able to make $10 an hour with this specific opportunity as well. And again, it says every chat is unique. So they provide you with the training and tools, so not to worry there, but you're going to be doing different things. Someday, you may provide customer support, okay, for a leading British video. Some days you're going to be discussing, you could be discussing which ski holiday a customer might want to go on. So again, it's going to be different each time. You're going to have the training to be prepared, but this is something you could do. And again, you can find this at thechatshop.com. All right, now last but not least, the last company we're going to take a look at to get paid to have conversations with people is none other than Apple. Okay, to find the site, you just go to apple.com/jobs. Now, if you have an Apple phone or a Mac computer or another Apple product around your house and you understand how it works and you speak decent English, then chances are you qualify for this specific opportunity. What Apple wants are people that understand their products that will help other people overcome their challenges with them if they have technical issues, just to chat with them either through text or on the phone, and to help them overcome it. If you can do that, again, if you already like Apple products and you want to make money from home and you enjoy talking to people, then this could be a great opportunity. All you would do is you would go to the website here, and then you can just hit get started, or you can go ahead and click on some of these pictures to learn more and start to apply. Now, chances are they're going to get back to you and you can start to go through the process of becoming hired with Apple to start to become one of the leading ambassadors with their phenomenal company. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed learning these 3 different opportunities, these 3 different companies to get paid to just have fun conversations with people. If you're someone that already likes talking to people, if you want to work from home flexibly, then this could definitely be a path you could take. If you like this video and you want me to make more step-by-step money-making methods just like this, hit the like button below and also comment which of these stood out to you the most. Are you gonna do this? What's your experience if you've already maybe done something like this before? Also be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest step-by-step money-making methods. And again, last but not least, maybe you're watching this and maybe you don't like talking to people, right? Maybe you don't wanna have to show up on a specific time frame and put in hours to get paid. Maybe you want to make money even while you're sleeping or traveling. If that's you, then go ahead and click the first link in the description to discover my #1 way to make money even on autopilot, which is really cool and I think you'll like that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching and I will see you on my next video.